Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How Epsom salts can help tomatoes. Most tomatoes don't lack sulfur, but many suffer from magnesium deficiency, usually due to soil depletion. Applying the salts alleviates the deficiency. Spraying on the compound is reputed to work within 48 hours, but the soil does also need to be amended as a long-term fix.
Let's help you make your mark.
It is believed that a sprinkle of bicarb soda on the soil around tomato plants will sweeten tomatoes. Bicarb soda helps lower the acid levels in soil, which makes tomatoes sweeter. Before you plant your garden, scoop some soil into a small container and wet it with some water.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Jen's practice is a good one. Coffee grounds can contribute nitrogen to soil and repel slugs and snails, as this Oregon study shows, and eggshells add calcium, helping tomato plants regulate moisture intake and prevent blossom end rot.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.